Hello students, and now we are going to see the 10th question. Find the length of the perpendicular and the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular from minus 10 comma minus 2 to the line x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so I will just draw the given line. This line is x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the given line, and we are drawing a perpendicular line from the point minus 10 comma minus 2. Okay, minus 2, a perpendicular line which is perpendicular. Here the question is, we need to find the length of this perpendicular. That means let us name this point as A and this point as B. We need to find the distance AB, and then we need to find the coordinates of B. So this B is the foot of the perpendicular. Okay, so we have to find the coordinates of B. So first let us find the length of the perpendicular. Okay, and I want to name the coordinate to be A comma B. Okay, so let us find the length of the perpendicular. The length of the perpendicular from A minus 10 comma minus 2 to the line x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0 is, okay, that is equal to, okay, the formula is you have to put the modulus and the distance formula. Okay, we are using the distance formula. So modulus, instead of x and y you need to substitute this point. Okay, so you will be getting minus 10 minus 2 divided by square root of x coordinate is 1 plus y coordinate is 1. Okay, 1 square. Okay, so this is the length of the perpendicular. Okay, so which is equal to modulus of minus 10 minus 12 minus 14. So minus 14 divided by here square root of 2. Okay, so therefore the length of the perpendicular AB, so AB is equal to 14 by root 2. Okay, so we should not get root 2 in the denominator, so we are multiplying and dividing by root 2. So it will be equal to 14 by 2 into root 2. So that gives you 7 root 2. So this is the length of the perpendicular. So let me write it here. So AB is equal to 7 root 2. This is the length of the perpendicular. Okay, now we need to find out the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular. Okay, to find the coordinates of B. Okay, A comma B. So we need to find the value of A comma B. See, first this point passes through this line. Okay, this line. So let us write A comma B. A comma B passes through x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So this implies you just substitute this A comma B in this equation, so it should satisfy. So A plus B minus 2 is equal to 0. So this gives you A plus B is equal to 2. Okay, so let us name this equation as equation number 1. Okay, next which formula I am going to use is, since A is minus 10 comma minus 2 and B is A comma B, by using these 2 points I am going to find the slope m1. Okay, so let me take this slope as m1, and from this line I can get m2. So when it is perpendicular, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So I am going to make use of that formula. Okay, so m1 is the slope of the line AB. Okay, so here A is minus 10 comma minus 2 and B is A comma B. Okay, so what is the formula for the slope? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is y2, let us take this as b, so b minus of minus 2, so that will give you plus 2, divided by here x2 is a, so a minus of minus 10, that gives you 10, so which is equal to our m1. So m1 is the slope of AB. Next is m2 is the slope of the given line x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. See, I am taking m2 to be the slope of this line. So let us find this line. So the equation of the line will be of the form y is equal to mx plus c. Here m is the slope. Okay. So I want to bring this equation to this form. So therefore y is equal to, let me bring this x into this side. So it is minus x, and this minus 2 in this side. So it is plus 2. Okay, I am getting plus 2. So what is the slope? The coefficient of x is the slope. So from this I can get m2 is equal to minus 1. So this is the slope. Okay. Okay, and now a, b and x plus y minus 2 equal to 0 or perpendicular. Therefore you can write m1 into m2 should be equal to minus 1. Okay, so what is m1? m1 is here, so b plus 2 divided by a plus 10 into minus m2 is here minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. Okay, so now we can cancel this minus and this minus. Okay, so when you cross multiply you will be getting, I'll do it here itself. So here b plus 2 is equal to a plus 10. So here you are getting 1. Okay, so when you multiply a plus 10, so let us bring let us simplify this. So a, and when this comes to this side, minus b, which is equal to, when this 10 comes into this side, minus 10 plus 2. Okay, so a minus b is equal to minus 8. So let us name this equation to be 2. Okay, so now I am going to solve equation 1. See, this equation 1 and this equation 2. Okay, in order to find the value of a and b. Okay, so from 1 and 2, I can write a plus b is equal to 2. Okay, and then equation 1 is a plus b is equal to 2. Equation 2 is a minus b is equal to minus 8. A minus b is equal to minus 8. Okay, so plus b minus b will get cancelled. So 2a is equal to minus 6. So from this, what is a? That is minus 3. So I've got a, and then substitute in any one of this equation. Substitute in 1. So what you will get? 1 is a plus b is equal to 2. So minus 3 plus b is equal to 2. So b is equal to 2 plus 3. So b is equal to 5. Okay. So therefore a comma b is equal to, what is a? Minus 3 comma 5. Okay. This gives you the foot of the perpendicular. The foot of the perpendicular is minus 3 comma 5. Clear?